How you doing? I'm Tyler.
And I'm Lexi.
And this is our bus. We are One Wild Ride. And come on in. We travel with our cat, Ruka. We have a 34-foot International. It's got a DT 466E and an Allison 2000 transmission. We have 400 watts of solar up on the roof, just the Renogy Wanderer kit. We have two 12-volt AMG batteries with about 200 amp hours underneath the bus. 55 gallons of fresh water and 50 gallons of gray water. And yeah, come on back in.
So good.
So we have our dinette. We usually spend most of our time here, and both of the seats fold up. We have our inverter under here, which is an Ames 3000 watt. More storage under here, and then 7-foot couch with a bunch of storage under there for summer clothes, cat litter, cat food, stuff like that. She's scratching around there. And then we have an RV oven, 3-burner, which is plenty for us. We usually do about 5 months worth of cooking with one tank, 20-gallon propane tank. And then a lot of other stuff is just like IKEA and Amazon. IKEA sink, faucet was Amazon, a bunch of IKEA kind of pot holder hanger things like that to put all of our coffee cups and stuff like that up on. We did bamboo countertops, which we got for pretty cheap. I think like $80 from somebody who gave us a whole bunch of it. All of our cabinets are repurposed. We found them in the garbage. They were like a dirty brown with some rusty gold knobs. We just repainted them, got new knobs. And then if you come on back a little bit more, regular apartment size fridge, runs off of 120.
So a nice shower?
Yeah, the shower we don't use that often. We get a lot of questions about the wood and how it's treated. We just have a Thompson sealant on it that's a matte finish and a water barrier built behind it. But we don't use it too often because we don't have a hot water heater yet. So that's on the way. Actually, we have one of those ordered. Nature's Head toilet over the wheel well. And then for our doors, we didn't go too fancy. We just did kind of like a Lowe's style accordion doors. And these ones lock together with a magnet because it's a little too big of a space. And then we have some closet space.
A nice fridge in the closet.
So we got our closet here, and then back in the back, full-size bed. Got a TV that we hardly ever use. This is probably one of our favorite parts of the bus, though, is we have the rear handicap door. So whenever we're parked somewhere kind of cool, we can open it up like this, and that just swings open.
Watch the sunrise.
Yep. So that's definitely one of the most popular spots of the bus, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Well, thank you.
Yep.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.